Hello, welcome to this demonstration video for this TypeScript project, directory tree scanner. I'm going to show you a little demonstration about how it works here. So you can specify the root directory that you want it to scan, and basically it'll list all of the files, and when it gets to a directory, it'll list all of the files within those directories as well. So it kind of works just like the ls command in Linux or Windows, and you can specify whether you want it to show hidden files or not. So I'm going to say yes here, and I just did the current working directory here. So you can see it shows what directory I'm in, and it shows a list of all the files. And when it gets to a directory, it shows that here and lists all of the files within that directory. And it will keep doing that for each new directory until it gets to the end. So I'm just going to show you how this works here in my code. Using TypeScript, I was able to import some node modules, for instance, this file system module and some utilities, readline module, and some other stuff here that was useful. And I was using a lot of async and await to be able to kind of go through each file synchronously rather than asynchronously, because I didn't want it to wait for all of the files in each directory in the entire process to be scanned and then print it out. I wanted to be able to print it out as it's going through. So that's why I have these promised versions of the file system functions to make those asynchronous, so then I can use await and just get those what those return usually in a callback in, say, an array. So this will return the list of files in the directory that it's specified. And then I can go through each of those files and I can check the stats. That's what this is doing. And I can take those stats and check if it's a file, then it just prints it out to the console, or I can check if it's a directory, print it out, and then recurse and go through each of the files within that directory. And then we just have some scripts here to prompt the user where they want to start the program from, where they want to scan, and if they want to show hidden files. And that's basically everything.